How to search Google in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, Google. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Google app in the list and tap on it. As you can see, the Google app is already installed on your phone. If it was not, then there would be a Get button instead of Open. And then, you would have to tap on it to download the app. Tap on Open to open the app. Once you're here, tap on the microphone icon in the search bar. Here, tap on Allow the app to access the microphone. You can now use this feature to initiate a voice search, allowing you to speak your query instead of typing it. You can also tap on the camera icon beside. This allows you to search with your camera by taking a photo or uploading an existing one. Place your camera over the subject and then tap on the search icon below. Lastly, go to the search bar and type in the query you want to search for. And then, tap on Search for the results. Following these steps, you can easily search Google in iPhone.